How to add images to drop-down menu on your Shopify header. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you step by step how to do so and completely for free. So let's just go and get to it. First, you want to log into your Shopify admin and go to the apps section and click on add apps, all recommended apps, and just go to Shopify App Store. From here, just go to the top and search for global mega menu. Once you do that, you should be able to find this one right here. It's going to be the first one with the purple pink kind of colors, and just click on install. Then simply just click on install one more time. Now this app is going to actually help you create the entire menu from scratch, so you don't even need to go to the content section from your Shopify, sorry, and do it from there. Anyways, now we're just going to go to the free plan that they have and click on choose plan and click on add mega menu. Now in here, you're just going to pretty much customize the entire menu to your liking, including what's going to actually show up within the catalog and so on. And you have all of these options like the actual menu, and you also have sub menu, which is the drop down. And you can obviously feel free to remove anything that you don't want, as you can see, and it's just going to be removed very simply. And you can obviously add your own stuff by just clicking on add items, and you are just going to have all of these different options that you can add, like pages, collections, or even products if you have any. And you simply just click on it and click on add, and it's going to be added right down there. So obviously you're just going to take your time to basically adjust this entire menu to your liking. And by the way, if you want to add another one, you can just click on this plus icon here, and you can just select whichever one that you want. And again, you can just scroll down, find it, and add submenu to it. Now let's just get to the add images option. You can feel free to do so by clicking on this add block here in the middle. Click on that, and you're going to be able to find add custom image. There are going to be two different types here, as you can see. And you can just click on select. And I'm just going to add 4 of them. Great, now all you need to do is really just click on the first one here, for example, and you just want to add the image to it. Just make sure you click on the pencil, not the image itself. So once you do that, you simply just want to find this option, click on select image, upload an image, make sure it is selected and click on select, and do the same thing for the rest of them. Click on apply changes and move on to the next one, and so on. So now you have your images, you have your menu items, and the sub menu items as well. You also have more things here that you can adjust when it comes to the looks of the menu, like the colors of it and also the fonts of the menu. So you can really feel free to customize this to your liking. Once you're happy with this menu, you can just click on save from the top right corner and publish. Now lastly, what you actually need to do is just activate the app. So you can just do it from here, click on activate now, or you can just click on your online store and find it within the app embeds. I'm just going to show you in a second here. Once you open up your editor, you can just go to the app embeds yourself. You should be able to find global mega menu. Just make sure this is turned on and click on save on the top right corner. For me, it's just a little bit laggy here for some reason. And once you enable your app embed, you can actually go ahead and view it on your site. And if you don't like anything with it, you can just feel free to customize it back from the same app. Just scroll down, you should be able to find customize, and you are good to go. But as you can see, images are going to be available. I only added this one, and each single menu dropdown is going to have its own set of images and or other sub menu items. So this is pretty much how to add images to your drop-down menu on Shopify for free. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.